Hello, welcome to Just Create. My name is Gabe Sheffield, and today we're going to tackle how to film in just one location. Let's begin. First off, I want to wish everyone a happy belated Valentine's Day. I hope you got to enjoy that day full of love, and I hope you spend it with that special someone. Well, I hope it was just with one person. Speaking of one, segue. Today, we're going to tackle how to film in just one location. Now, I bring this up because I know numerous people who watch short films, feature films, and they see these stories take place across numerous locations, and sometimes even different countries, and they get discouraged because they feel like they don't have the access or the resources to obtain some of these locations. So today we're going to tackle how to film in just one location. So a few quick tips on how to do this. The first tip I will give you is find locations that you already have access to, whether that be your house, a friend's backyard, office space that your parents might have, just somewhere you already have access to. You know it's going to be a guaranteed yes, and you know you can get into it easily. The second thing is try to find a location that is interesting on its own. A location that could possibly be a character in itself. When you see this location, you think of different ideas, different things, and it can really bring a story to life. Last and the most important thing is you need to structure and script your story based around that location. So if you only have access to your house, then you probably shouldn't script a story that's on a boat. Just doesn't make any sense. So those are a few quick tips, and here's an example of how you can go out and shoot something in just one location.
Oh shit. It's tearing up my heart when I'm with you, and when we are apart I feel it too. When I feel the pain. Oh shit. I'm sorry. I did not say the book. Sorry.
Hey, you alright? Dude, wake up! Hey!
Did you wash your hands?
Alright, so there you have it, guys. How to shoot something in just one location. Again, the main idea is that you should find a location that you already have access to and script your story based around that location. Don't bite off more than you could chew. Don't make something that's unrealistic. If you don't have access to a specific location, then you need to cater your script to fit the locations that you have access to. Don't allow not having the access and the resources to some of these exotic places that you see in feature films be a reason why you don't create. Remember, there will always be 1,001 reasons why you shouldn't create, but you only need one reason to do it. No excuses, just create.